This is my neighborhood. It's about 10 o'clock in the evening. Whew. Look at that, no hat. Jeez. Kind of warm in the house right now. I got all the windows closed up. The cats are kind of freaking out. So, yeah, there we go. Another 4th of July. Rip roaring. Cops came by about 8 o'clock. Was outside, saw them driving by, and I think they caught the guy behind us that likes to go get the illegal stuff. Because I haven't heard any of the big booms going off. The ones that, you know, vibrate the windows and shake the walls. Usually every year he's lighting that kind of stuff off, but so hopefully y'all had a fun and safe 4th of July. I personally don't condone the fireworks thing. Go to a show and watch the stuff. Don't be playing with that stuff, because that stuff can get nasty. Most people don't understand what that stuff will do to you and what it is. So plus it just reeks out there now. That's why another reason I got all the doors and windows closed. So alrighty, y'all be good, be safe. We'll catch y'all soon. Talk to you later. Bye.